Introducing Surface Demon Polish Prep Tool. The next generation solution completes the Diamond Devil concrete and terrazzo restoration and polishing system, chemical-free, using water only. For concrete, Surface Demon takes floors from Mastic Demon coating removal to polishing. For cementitious terrazzo, Surface Demon is the first step to remove sealers and proceed to polishing. The Surface Demon's patent-pending design features independent floating heads that glide over uneven surfaces, paired with specially formulated diamond cup wheels to create a uniform profile, perfect for preparing concrete and terrazzo floors for polishing. Go from coating removal to polished concrete in no time. Surface Demon reduces the deep scratch pattern created by Mastic Demon, prepping the concrete for polish. Go from dull, waxed floors to shiny, polished, cementitious terrazzo using only water. Chemical-free stripping, the Surface Demon uses water only to remove light sealers from concrete, and floor finish, sealer, urethane, and wax from cementitious terrazzo. Save your floors from the fiery pits with Surface Demon by Malish.